morning everyone. Today we are condensing The Rich Dad and the Poor Dad, book by Robert Kiyosaki, in the fast track understanding about how the rich really think about money. Let's go. Kiyosaki grew up with the two father figures, his biological father, the poor dad, who valued job security and working hard, and his friend's father, the rich dad, who taught him about making money work for you. The rich don't simplify work for the money, they build assets and generate income. Financially literacy beats high income and know the differences between the assets, those that put money in your pocket, and liability, those that take money out. Don't just work for someone else, mind your own business. Overcome fear, take calculated risk, keep learning. Because simply being educated in the school doesn't make automatically wealthy. So, if you are ready to think difference, if you are really ready to think differently about your job, about your money, about your future, then start today. Build your assets, reduce your liability, and change your mindset. If this helped you, then like, subscribe, and knowing me comments what assets will you build next. Thank you for watching.